I'm Eric Splitt, the founder of Need or Nest and the creator of HardwarEvolution products. I've always been obsessed with problem solving, and I have an affinity for quality, rugged design. With 3 little kids at home, anything I do not only needs to stand the test of time, but it also needs to be safe. 2 years ago, I was trying to install this sliding barn door because we didn't have space for a traditional swinging door. I quickly discovered that the existing hardware kits were complicated to install and didn't fit most doorways. The industry standard is to pre-drill holes in the track every 16 inches. The problem is that every home and doorway is different, and the studs rarely align perfectly. They also damage the drywall, and they won't support thicker doors like this one. But I knew there had to be a better way. I spent over a year designing different ways to solve this problem. Finally, I settled on the simplicity of a clamp. Introducing a new patent-pending hardware kit that's set to revolutionize the barn door industry. The Freedom Clamp bolts to each wall stud with a sturdy lag bolt. The track can rest inside the clamp, allowing you the freedom to slide it in any direction. The brackets are square and cover more surface area than existing designs, which can protect the drywall. To accommodate thicker doors, we designed the brackets to be modular. With our extension blocks, you can install doors up to 2.5 inches thick. They also allow you to space your door away from the wall to fit around things like fancy trim. And I didn't stop there. We knew you'd need a door that's rugged enough to take on the wear and tear of life. So I designed the front clamp to double as a safety feature to prevent the door from jumping off the track. We are ready to bring this thing to life. I know that the Freedom Clamp is superior to anything on the market. My vision is to make it easy for everyone to hang a beautiful barn door in their home safely. This dream has been years in the making, and I really appreciate your help. Please take a moment and share this with everyone you know. Help us start the hardware evolution.